We are Team 8, consisting of Frida, Elise, Tracy, and Nari, and our proposal for the Living Building Challenge is called Water, Grow, Nourish. The design situates a new building adjacent to the existing building with a corridor that runs in between the two volumes and wraps around the northern side. The existing house will be converted into a community laundromat, and the new building will be a community kitchen. The corridor is a greenhouse that houses a food garden and non-native plants. It is passively heated in the winter with dryers from the laundromat and can open during the warm months for airflow and passive cooling. On the exterior, the community garden on the north side is a food garden with native plants. This project creates a series of exchanges between multiple systems. Gray water from the laundromat washing machines is reused to water the gardens, heat from the laundry dryers are passively heating the corridors, and the time spent waiting on laundry is exchanged with gardening and community. It has climatic conditions familiar to us all, with hot, humid summers and dry, cold winters, which would be major considerations in our passive house strategies. The luminance maps of the existing house show the great potential that it holds for solar and heat collection towards the south of the house in particular, while the window placement shows great potential for daylight in the interiors, which will help decrease our energy loads.
The planting strategy includes removing invasive species on the southwest side of the lot, reintroducing native species, and integrating biodiverse vegetation layers, including the canopy, understory shrubs, and ground cover. Deciduous trees along the south property line provide shade during the summer and increase daylight during the winter for south-facing windows. The laundromat uses biocompatible laundry detergents, high in nitrogen and phosphorus, to fertilize soils. Our proposed community garden helps to localize food economies, reduces transportation-related carbon emissions, and improves access to fresh produce. It includes an outdoor garden where edible plants can receive full sun, and the water needs can be customized per planting box and growing season. Additionally, the greenhouse utilizes thermal curtains to further increase food diversity, enabling non-native plants to grow year-round, improving overall food security.
We propose a strategy to reuse rainwater collected from the sloped roof of the existing building and the new community kitchen. This system would channel rainwater for the use in laundromats. The gray water treated with eco-friendly detergents can be repurposed as fertilizer or irrigation water for the food garden. This system fosters a sustainable cycle of water and energy use, contributing to a more environmental community infrastructure. For the equity strategy, we propose repurposing an unused nursing home to expand solar energy production. By utilizing the expansive horizontal roof area, solar panels can be installed, generating energy that exceeds the needs of our site and providing power of 85 neighboring houses. This initiative aims to create a new self-sustaining energy platform that extends beyond the boundaries of the site.
Strategy, we prioritized using recycled materials from the demoed portions of the building, that is the sunroom and the carport. Also using clean materials that are ethically sourced, locally sourced, and that have the potential to be recyclable or come from recycled materials. Meant to not only sourcing healthy, high-performance materials, but also minimizing our material shipping carbon footprint. We prioritize sourcing local vendors, with 70% of them being located in Connecticut under a 120-kilometer radius from our site. All new materials were maximized on insulation power without compromising on their ability to be clean and ethically sourced. Operability was also prioritized where possible to maximize on passive cooling capabilities and occupant thermal comfort and adjustability. For passive energy strategies, in order to maximize natural ventilation for cooling and passive solar for heating, we installed new large and operable south-facing windows with skylights on the existing building. The windows capture heat in the winter months and allow for natural cooling during the summer months. The windows are placed with various heights above to improve natural ventilation. The operable skylights improve ventilation, releasing hot air in the warm months. The roof of the laundromat is reflective, in turn reducing the heat absorption and improving the thermal comfort. The reflective roof will reduce the energy needed to lower the indoor temperatures in the summer months, and the community garden is glazed using solar energy to passively heat the interior. The greenhouse corridors are also passively heated in the winter from the dryers of the laundromat and can be opened during the warm months for airflow and passive cooling. Following illuminance maps show the majority of the natural light enters through our large south-facing windows. South-facing windows maximize the amount of natural light entering the laundromat, allowing for passive heating in the winter months. Due to the glazed wall, the community kitchen receives more direct light throughout the year.